Okay, so this is going to be the last Anarchist material video for 2022. This is December 22nd, and I just got my package. I'm not going to show it. Uh, this is from PM Press. I already opened it up, and let's see what I got. And this will go on the TCP shop, depending on what it is. Okay. Oh, okay, I got some more stickers. Um, another and then with those, that'll go up on the eBay sooner or later when I use up the 25 off thing. This one will go right up. As soon as the video is done, I probably will scan this. So keep your eye out for that. That'll probably be like a dollar for $8 something. Oh, okay. I got and then another sticker. This will go up on the shop, probably for like $3 or something. I don't know, $4 or $5. So I got a CD, sealed out to disclose the crack in it. I'm guessing probably something to do with punk rock. Okay, from Aztec, San Francisco. This is that. That'll go. I'll have to see what that is with or without the crack. Let's see what prices are for sealed CDs. And this is also from Aztec Records. So this will be cool. I'm not gonna open these. These will stay sealed where they are, and I'll have to disclose that this has a crack in it. But yeah, that is the last Anarchist material video for 2022. If I put up any other videos between now and December 31st, I don't think I'm going to. This is my last package for the year. Yeah. So peace out and keep the revolution strong. This is Time Change Press signing out. Bye.